Hi dear students, welcome to today's math class. In previous class, we discussed about time, definition of time, hands on a clock, how to read time, etc. And today we are moving to explanation on problems, tell time in AM and PM, and relationship between hours, minutes, and a day. The first topic, explanation on problems. Here, some clocks, images of some clocks are given. Each clock shows time. Okay. The first question, write the time shown on each clock. And the first one is done for us. And here in the first clock, the time shows 7:10. The hour hand is on 7 and the minute hand is on 2. 2 minutes, 10 minutes. So we can read the time as 7:10. In the second clock, the hour hand is on 11 and the minute hand is on 5. We know that 5 minutes, 25 minutes, and we can read the time as 11:25. In the third clock, the hour hand is in between 6 and 7. Means in the middle of 6 and 7, and the minute hand is on 9. 9 means 45 minutes, that we know. So the hour hand is in between 6 and 7. So we can read the time as 6:45. Okay. And the second question, write down how you will read the time shown on each clock. The first one is done for us. Here the clock shows the time. Yes, 8:40 means 20 minutes left to reach 9. So we can write the time as, instead of 8:40, we can write as 20 minutes to 9. Okay. In the same way, in the second clock, the hands on the clock shows the time. Yes, 10:45. The hour hand is in between 10 and 11 and the minute hand is on 9. So 10:45. So we can read the time as 15 minutes to 11 or quarter to 11. Okay. The third clock, the hour hand is in between 1 and 2 and the minute hand is on 3. The time is 1:15. That means 15 minutes over after 1. Okay. So we can say quarter past 1. The next question is, draw the hour and the minute hands on each clock as per the time mentioned in the box. The first one is 2:10. So the both and is on 2, minute hand and hour hand. And the next question is 10 minutes to 6. That means 10 minutes left to reach 6 o'clock. That means 5:50. So the hour hand is in the middle of 5 and 6 and the minute hand is on 10. Okay. See, 10 minutes to be 6 o'clock. Okay. The third question is quarter past 12. That means 15 minutes over after 12 o'clock. So the hour hand is on 12 and the minute hand is on 3. Okay, children. The next one. Let's move to the next exercise. The next exercise is write true or false for each of the statements. The first question is, when the hour hand is a little past 3 and the minute hand is at 4, the time is 4:15. The hour hand is little past 3 and the minute hand is at 4. If the minute hand is at 4, we know that it's 20 minutes. 4 indicates 20 minutes. And in the statement it is given that the time is 4:15. So it's correct or wrong? Yes, it is false. It's not correct. The second question is, when the hour hand is between 7 and 8. If the hour hand is in between 7 and 8, we read the time as 7 and the minute hand is at 7. Minute hand is at 7. We know that 7 indicates the minutes 35. So the time is 7:35. In the given statement, it is given that the time is 7:35. Is it true or false? Yes, it's true. Next, last question. When the hour hand just crosses 3 and the minute hand is at 3, the time is quarter past 3. The hour hand just crosses 3 and the minute hand is at 3. If the minute hand is at 3, the minutes, minute is 15. The hour hand is just crossed the 3. That means 3:15. Is it correct? Yes, it's true. The next question is tick the clock that shows 6:35. See the first clock. The hands on the clock shows the time 7:35 and here 6:30 and here yes it's 6:35. So this is the correct answer. Next, state the most appropriate unit you would use to measure the time required to complete the following activities. One is done for you. So this one already we discussed in the previous class. To take bath, we need minutes. Wear slippers, seconds. Watch movie, hours. Read pages in a book, minutes. Drink a glass of water, seconds or minutes. It depends. Paint room, hours. Wear sunglasses, seconds. Listen to your favorite song, minutes. Get a haircut, minute. Read a story in a newspaper, minute. Okay. The next question is Manish leaves for school when the minute hand is at 9 and the hour hand is between 8 and 9. At what time does he leave for school? Manish leaves for school when the minute hand is at 9. Where the hour hand is between 8 and 9. So let's draw the hands for the clock. Our hand, first one minute hand is at 9. Okay, minute hand is at 9 and our hand is between 8 and 9. Between 8 and 9. So what's it? What's the time? Yes, in this picture, hands on the clock shows the time 8:45. So we can write here 8:45. 8:45. The next question is Manish's mother called him at quarter past 9. He comes exactly 10 minutes later. At what time does he come? Also write how you will read that time. Manish's mother called him at quarter past 9. Quarter past 9 means yes 9:15. Quarter past 9 means 9:15 and 9:15. Okay, and when he comes after 10 minutes. He comes after 10 minutes. So the hand will be at 5. Okay, 10 minutes. 5, 10 minutes late. So what's the time here? Yes, 9:25. 9:25. Quarter past 9 means 9:15. 10 minutes late means 9:15 plus 10, 9:25. Then how you read the time? 25 minutes past 9. Okay, children? Then our next topic is tell the timing AM and PM. Then what is AM and what is PM? Yes, the full form of AM is anti-meridium and the full form of PM is post-meridium. Okay, then here you can see marked 12 at 3 times. Okay, then it shows this 12 shows midnight, this 12 noon and this 12 midnight. That means AM, this part is AM. That means from the midnight 12 to midday 12. Midday means noon, noon 12. Midnight 12 to noon 12. The time in between these two, midnight and midday, we tell the time in AM. From noon to midnight, the time in between noon and midnight, midday or noon and midnight, we read the time in PM. Time in between midnight 12 and noon 12, we read in AM. The time between midday 12 or noon 12 and the midnight 12 we read in PM. In simple, we can say that AM means we read the time in AM if it is before noon. The time before noon we read in AM and the time after noon we read in PM. Okay, children? So this example. Here Rachel's daily schedule at 7 a.m. morning, 7 a.m. She wake up and begin breakfast. 7:30 a.m. Go for work with mummy and Adam. 8 a.m. Yes, mummy showers, play alone in her room. 8:30 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 10:30 a.m., 11:45 a.m. Then next is 12:30. That means after 11:45, 12, 12:30, noon 12. So that time we read the time in PM. Then 3:30, evening 3:30 in PM. 4:30 PM, evening 5:30 PM. Morning, if it is morning, we read in AM. If it is evening, we read in PM. Here see 7:30. Here it is PM. That means night 7:30, evening 7:30. Here the morning 7:30. Morning 7:30 we read in AM. Evening 7:30 or night 7:30 we read in PM. Okay, children? And here some of our daily routine. Wake up, morning, what we are doing in the morning, then afternoon. And these two are AM. The time in these two columns we read in AM and these two columns we read in PM. Okay? That means from afternoon to midnight we read in PM. Okay, children? Then our last topic is relation between day, hours, minutes and seconds. It's very simple. We know that one day is equal to 24 hours. In a day, there are 24 hours. Then in 1 hour, there are 60 minutes. And in 1 minute, 60 seconds. In a day, there are 24 hours. In 1 hour means 60 minutes and 1 minute means 60 seconds. So children, today we discussed two important topics. The first one, AM and PM. We read the time AM as if it is before noon. The time before noon we read in AM. The time after noon we read in PM. Okay. The second one, relationship between day, hours, minutes and seconds. We know that there are 24 hours in a day. 1 hour is in 24 hours, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, thank you.